Retracing 5 alone.
Well, okay, how we studies?
How we studies?
Shouldn't enough nowadays.
Wow, it be like say fans get prophecy on top this jam because children of nowadays they trouble us and they worry us. Yes, that record, if I tell you say they officially released 8 years ago, that 2016, if I did very much correct, it will shock you, right? How time flies. Now, still Naija FM 102.7 and you position put live and direct. Regards to your mom, regards to your daddy on this wet weather morning with money runs. My name is Simi, my word Bob MC around B. You know the vibe, you know the doings. You know, so I don't tell you already. Say we get a special interview, and that special interview right now, this center around the voice when you hear for the last two songs when you just play right now. Before that, you hear soft work. Before you hear regards to your mercy. First of all, let me introduce the one and only Fast, the bad guy in the building. Alpha Babana. It's been a while.
Alpha, my brother, what's in the apple now?
Everywhere good, everywhere good.
Everywhere nice, everywhere soft.
But I got a problem with you.
Okay.
This is copyright infringement. I have been using this my Bula Balu style for the last how many years? 2 years, maybe 3 years. 2 years, minimum of 2 years. Only for Fast to come for interview now, he copy me. So we are going to court. I know you are a lawyer, barrister of the law, but I have senior advocate. I don't mind. I will borrow your father to fight against you in this case. So who be your fashion designer when so my style give you?
You know, normally when you saw somebody that is doing something nice, at least you're supposed to implicate him.
You tap from it.
Of course, now
So,
normally. That's
so
normally
you agree say you tap from my.
Yes, now I see you're a fashion icon.
Hey, go record that.
I need to, you are a fashion icon. I need to follow behind you. It's natural stuff.
So no more court case. No more court case. That's not like being supposed simple. Welcome, Fast. Been a while.
So have fun.
I did. I just was. Because I did look through your discography right now. Since 2014, Waka Courage now. That's over 10 years.
10 years, my brother. I don't
a decade in the music industry. When I mean active, when you start to the active, they release body of work. Get. How did journey don't be for you so far?
I'm crazy. Myself, as I wake up this year.
Yeah.
Just check the time. Can't realize say you don't reach 10. You not be like say you don't reach like that for my
Yes.
I swear I don't go lie. You not be like say you don't reach like that. But you know, as I just look back, say you don't reach you. I say another long journey still the front. You know, this one are just the first stage. The first. If I know if talk say first half, because you never reach half. Where we still go, still the far, my brother. I still the far. So,
but the way they talk and be like say you never even do it. No, with over 10 body of 9 body of work. But if I want a deluxe edition of your, I think your third studio album, it will be 10 body of work.
Yeah.
And the last time you give us a body of work now, like 2 years ago, 2022, right?
Yeah, 22. Yeah.
So that will not be small work.
Yeah.
You know how many songs in as much AP day some of those body of work. You know how many songs it takes. So don't be say you don't contribute heavily. If we not take out, if we not talk about Nigerian music without to not argue during the conversation. You get. So if anybody not give you flower, if you feel say you never do half or you do more than half for me, though.
Thank you, my brother. I appreciate that.
So let's go into it right now. One of your biggest album where I really fall in love with, because I'm a person when they listen to sense music. Now, Moral Instruction, that was the second to your last album, 2019. Yes, before the COVID-19.
Yeah.
For me, personally, I don't know for you, but I feel that album, suppose Waka pass, where Waka reach. I don't know for you. Now, what I want to ask you, because that album, when it come at the time when a lot of people suppose come to self-realization, tap into sense. Moral instruction be like Bible for me, because you listen to from track 1 to track 2, track 3, you know what you feel easily relate to it till they go on. I want to ask how long it take you to put up that body of work, and why you feel say, I don't know for you, why you feel say, for me, from my perspective, why you feel say the album not do the work when it's supposed to.
Okay, so first of all, make answer that first question. It take maybe it go reach like 1 year, or it go reach like the whole of the previous year. Let's say like January 2019 where I drop out. So the whole of that previous year, be like now waiting. I've been the work on be that.
True.
You know, also that previous year 2018, and when I've been dropped, this is Nigeria.
Yes.
Yeah. So that whole year, that the mind state where I've been there, you know, I know see this thing. Person supposed to calm. You know, person supposed to calm the way. Will be, you know. So now time they walk, and I drop out early. So I don't know, Sha. I believe saying that the nature of the album. The album did very I go take explain am. It is very challenging
because you get a lot of people when come for you.
Hey, my brother, it is very challenging.
Come for you heavily.
But now what I go expect if I drop that kind of album be that because I dey challenge people. You know, head on, face on, and they face them face to face. They talk and say, now be this, now wetin they do with this. So I know they surprise say wetin he do, now wetin he do because say that kind of album obviously controversy there around them. So it no go be like normal because say that controversy there around them.
You feel say the album add positively or come out negatively?
No, you know, nothing way I do.
Any of those talk that time ever end up for court? All those challenges. Now just online talk that it. Talk a lot of people threaten you. Why you go do this and the rest?
Now all those are normal behavior now. But I know if you talk say that album no still do. Because the way I they go be that. Okay. I know if you talk say that album not do because that same year, Headies
nominated.
I get not be just nominated. I get a rap album of the year. Album of the year. And rap single of the year. We talk. So I know if you talk say it not they recognized, it not they acclaimed critically, even just within community, people know say something drop and people get the message. You know that are the purpose of that kind of project. That kind of project, if you know they slam them for club like every day, you know say this thing still
moral instruction.
It's still there because now more about the message. Now what's in the inside.
Yo, so some people like maybe they feel say okay maybe you go continue in that light one, but since then it just be like say you can't take a step back.
So you know say the way I describe that project now say it they very confrontational.
You offend people. You offend people.
So that kind of thing not be every day that they do. Maybe not be
now once in every 10 years.
Maybe not 10 years, but now you know once we just but you know more project go still day we go day like that. That will not be you know it's not a question. If you look me, if you look my character, if you look my career, my track record, you go no say this not something where this guy they continuously do, so he go still do another one.
So we suppose expect something like this very soon.
Maybe even Mara instruction part 2.
Quit thinking finish. Okay, so if I want really ask you right now, out of the 10 body of work, 9 body of work plus dealers making it 10, which one you go say it be your best body of work when really put you at there or achieve the aim? Because for every album they get aim. I believe so.
Yeah, my brother, it's tough to say. It's tough to say because I know if you sit down here and say okay, now this one be now that because different project where I don't drop don't get different effect for my career and everything still makes sense. You know, the first one where I dropped 2014, that my very first album.
Yes,
you know. Excuse me. Yes. At that time, I never know what's in the bar. I never really understand. But you get what's in the album do for me to just even help me step in. You know, let me put that one leg, and then from there I can't drop stories that touch scatter everywhere, bro. You get everything they talk. So from there I can't do the project with Simi, chemistry.
We they go jail.
You know, from there I can't do 27. I can't do more. So every album gets I know if you pick one.
Before we move into chemistry, I gotta go confirm or reconfirm your age. 33 years, if I want to believe so. First, now your official age be that when your papa born, you have been at the music age because you not fit date the same age with me. Your baby, you know they talk the whites be full everywhere.
I don't know. Be like that.
Now mistake they make for Wikipedia, right?
Unless they make mistake for my birth certificate too, because now waiting they there.
But I get where baby now.
Now we see me people they question me be that.
Yeah.
Did you see this baby? Why baby? I don't get that since I be like 25.
Oh.
I just genetics now.
Okay, maybe now there the wisdom they come from.
Nine. Suppose no.
So now your real age 3.
For you. 100%. I mean I know they do football.
So why fast never marry? You are both 30. Hello, bachelor. What's going on?
So you started the cutoff mark.
More than the cutoff mark, actually.
Who tell you?
I married at the age of 29.
Who set the cutoff mark? Who set the cutoff? Who set up?
Now we get WhatsApp group. So fast, why you not married? Abi you marry, you just want to keep on low key, or you get baby mama out there, you want to keep on low key.
That's the question where you supposed to ask.
Yes.
Nobody know. If you be say I get low key married like this,
if you be say you get low key.
Maybe
you know,
not.
just want me their side. Okay, I get that respect though. Cause I know a few artists when you did that in, but if you be say you see the lie, you know why just answer the question. But more usually, if you be say,
I never marry. I never marry. Zero. I be single man. Single to stupor.
Your papa never call you, but you know say your papa is one of the respected man. He supposed to call you say hello, my son. What's wrong with you?
My brother, every day.
They call you.
If I greet my papa, say good morning. See, the money will be good if you are married. My brother, every day. My popsy, my mom's.
Yeah.
My momsy don't calm down small.
Yeah.
She don't, maybe she don't pass the baton to my popsy.
Okay, so
very small thing now.
So are we seeing that soon?
My brother, nobody will pressure me. Nobody.
Nobody will pressure me.
Nobody.
Senior advocate of Nigeria. Baba Falana, you hear your son. He say no be pressure. I want you to change strategy, please. His mate Davido is getting married
today. Beautiful.
Hello, you get invites?
And my brother, I don't get invites. I don't get.
Once Nigeria start with my brother, he not the.
You know, of course, I wish him well. It's a beautiful thing to see, man.
Yeah, sure.
You know,
sure.
Anytime we see celebration of love, you know,
it's inspiring.
It's inspiring. They miss if they look, say, maybe miss if I will soon drop my own.
But you get somebody for your life.
I don't get.
Right now,
I be single man.
When the last time you get a proper loving relationship?
If we look that matter, my own special case. Very special.
But you did street fast, yes. Because you be Bob Daddy, you did street, sha.
Where be street?
No, you know these days, there are a lot of but you did straight. You like woman, okay?
No, nobody will know. Come now.
No, not everybody like woman.
Well, that's a good point. That's a very good point to make there. But as a straight man, you know, now woman we are like not be man.
Okay. So that means for a while I never really experienced like steady relationship.
No, I never had serious relationship. Last time I had serious relationship, maybe I did like university that time. You don't really tell.
Wow.
Not be
what do you say be the reason for that though?
And you know, say this kind of life we dey now, it's not easy to really balance. You know, and you get many things where we self don't see. They happen. When they happen publicly.
Yes.
You know, I'm saying I'm saying like within industry. Many things where they see where they happen publicly, where you go look say to get healthy relationship and healthy career as entertainer, you know,
they hard, you know, easy.
So because of that, I just they try to be careful. So not be say anything really happen. Not be saying I just they try to be very careful. You know, that's what I mean.
Well, I don't know how long this being careful will take, but I don't want to in the next 2 years because you'll be 35. That's almost 40. They say a fool at 40 is what? A fool forever.
So person we don't marry now fool.
Not be me talking now. Okay, so let's take a step back right now since we talk about love and chemistry. Whether you like it or not, one of the best collab when they ever come outside from Nigeria now between you and Simi. The collab can't be like real life. To an extent, people can't conclude say Faz and Simi na boyfriend and girlfriend because the song one that they give us was just too sweet. So now do body of work now. This one go sing, hey, they go marry soon, they will marry. Suddenly, somebody when every day the picture when you're doing your different, you're sweep out her feet. Because say, okay, they don't break fast. You know, people got the pity for you that time. They don't break fast. Now, when I come start to the house, I say, oh, now I say they just they do. So, how did Simi and you collaboration to come about?
That time I've been there, obviously, I do my own thing, she do her own thing. You know, I just hear, I can't remember. Be like saying a jam question with the first song where I hear that.
Yeah, that was a breaker song, if I did correct.
Say who be this? You know what's in there crazy? Be say I just call him. I tell him say I don't write verse to this song.
Wow.
I don't tell him say can we work together? I don't write verse already. See when we go enter studio. She said Ginger say let's go. We said date, can't record that remix
of Jam Question.
Now that one we can shoot the
video. Now that one.
Yeah, that be the very first one where I did the video where they ride bicycle like this.
I remember.
Now that very first one, from there, bro, it just be like say, you know, when somebody just be like say you are made to make music together.
Yes.
Everything just aligned.
Yes.
From then onward, I think we worked on Soldier.
Yeah.
Then we worked on the whole chemistry album. Everything back to back. It just they flow.
Sweet.
It just they flow. And my producer at that time, Cess the problem kid. I mean, that's still my guy for life.
For life, yeah.
You know, but majorly Naima they work with that time. himself understand our music separately and understand how to bring them together perfectly. Now he produced the whole chemistry album. So he really, big shout out to him as well for really finding that middle ground. So it was a beautiful, very, very beautiful time. And
I'm not gonna lie, I did Simi listening party for our upcoming album, which supposed to, I don't even know this month end, I think so, or next month.
This month.
Yeah. I hear other songs. The moment I hear the one when I get you, I say, hey, Simi, don't go back to our root. I was like, what? Then when she called the answer question, she come here and say, oh, how the collab come, how it is stepping, how even Adekunle Gold. Then you call release song and say, you don't do with your husband. Wait till they happen. So just because you get new song right now with Adekunle Gold, which we go play very soon. So how this one, because if when I stay apart for a while, individually do your things individually, why wait till reignite this comeback? Not just with you doing song with Simi, but also you can also get with the husband.
So the one with Simi, to be honest, you don't think we don't talk and say we guys come back. In fact, you get sometimes I go just message and Simi will do chemistry part 2. There because that collab, that chemistry, people they always talk about, and people they till now, bro. People they talk Simi we do more. So because of that, we don't know say we go still do something new. So when she work on this project, she can't send me. In fact, she don't send me like 3 songs before this one.
Wow.
We don't do already. But now this one where we happy.
Borrow me
this one.
It's a national anthem for Lagos. You don't say we they borrow each other. No, sorry, they borrow each other, baby.
She just say now una be now we.
Una. I'm married.
Okay. Yeah. Of course, we have to save your matrimonial.
Okay.
So now from there we can say okay now this one okay. But what's the funny? We say since for a while now. Me and AG baby we be guys nobody just know. But
because we still now say say Nigerian man say hey they collect Simi from your hand. Then you don't they heartbroken. I make una stop to the war. These are dark.
That is story where people won't believe that. But I mean who are we to debunk?
Since after all, your brain.
Okay. But me and AG will be guys. If it can't be like saying now, are they even closer to AG
more than
Simi? Wow. It's crazy. It's crazy. But so with me and AG, we just first time where we say we go work on something. Now be this so like we don't try, but we don't really sit down.
Let me get the story. That now after you don't do this song with Simi, this borrow me your baby.
Yeah.
Oh, now I can't link up.
We don't be guys. We don't just say we go work, but now the first time we will sit down together for studio. Now be this and it just did natural. The way the thing just flow, it just enter. And since that day for studio, we don't know see this Bedu strong.
You enter.
Bedu strong
immediately.
Strong.
So now this always this song gonna work on together. Can I say most time?
So far.
For now,
only this one. Yeah, we don't. You get some in the past too. We don't try, but we've been no day together at that time. But now this song we did together, we sit down together, build down together. Yeah, so now only this one for now.
Who go pay? How the whole idea?
We just did with the yarn. We just did the gist. They talk of different many things. See. You get people way anything they feel do just to get it. And the song now no be political consciousness, but now social consciousness. So now something really happen around us. People don't really they look say okay, I get my principles, I get this, I get that. Anyhow they won't get down, they go get down as long exactly. So we just take that chant from, of course, old school Yoruba chant. Bekele. It just be say. Literally elderly person don't enter trouble who go pay the money, that kind of thing. So now waiting we just use
build the
song be that
and now why we get who go pay right now, because you say something earlier, I want just clear we go get a chance to ever get chemistry 2.0.
Very 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 possible. I don't want to now say na so they go come out because we never very very possible.
Seriously, apart from me, I know say millions of Nigerians and people outside of the country.
We're currently in talks.
After una the control now do is now. Now not get any big regulator to say don't release this now. Because I know say now you do your thing. Your own
since day one, bro. Since day one.
But why? How come? Because if you notice for the last, if I did correct, for the last 2 years, we don't see major international record label, the busting enter the Nigerian music industry.
Yeah.
They can't tap, they connect.
Yeah.
Even though on a record label, they do distribution deal. How come you never consider all these guys?
So not be say I never consider, not be say I never get offer, not be say we never even reach contract stage.
Okay.
You know, many things don't happen, but I just never find.
Sorry.
Excuse me. I just never find situation where they favorable. You know, for both parties, for everything, we make sense.
So what do you look out for? When you expect?
You guys look out for waiting the arrangement be like. So
whether if you pay the money back when they want give. I don't want to collect 250k done. They say till now never be pay back. Or if the master of the body of work 2 hours a day never be.
We talk that thing like joke, but don't be joke.
But fast, I don't say you be very brilliant and intelligent person. In as much as we see this international label coming to the country, they invest. More they sincere. Looking at the business side on the long run. You think say they go well because so many of these young guys they're in debt. I get a few of them when we say once they collect that 100k dollars, oh boy, you know they free. That body of work,
I know, I get what you mean, Sha, but I mean at the end of the day, people go still try. You know, you never know if he open something because at the end of the day, if you look at them even just on the basic side of things, they come and they bring money our economy.
Yes.
So first things first, now good thing.
But you know also feel say that money they spoil the possibility of having a good song. May I come from this direction because I know say you will understand. Since the beginning of this year, fast you'll be out if you agree or disagree with me. We never get his song. We never get breakthrough artists. When I mean breakthrough artists, new face when you go bust out the same way Charlie Poppy, Redmark, Creon, Omale, give me names. Ashake and the rest break out those 4 years before now. This year alone, guess what? And guess nothing less than 50 songs they come outside every week.
He passed 50.
He passed 50. I just put every week.
Like 1,000.
Do you not feel saying that because of this whole because this is your budget to promote one song is almost 100 million naira.
Almost. You reach some passive. Yeah. So I understand you. I'm not gonna lie. Give you. I understand you. What's the concern? I say Afrobeat they on wave right now. Afrobeat they buzz. So of course international people go on tapping. Now we think all these labels they find come. They want tapping. They now Afrobeat they hot. But one thing they forget, or one thing maybe they not even know, be say one important element we make Afrobeat they hot like this. Now say we they move just based on genuine feeling and genuine as they come. So a lot of that energy of say I record today, the jam get one pure energy. We just capture everything. In fact, within maybe like the next 1 month, I don't release and bam. You know, but here so many formality don't come.
You have to wait. This person have to approve.
Let's first send to this person to approve. Then now
3 months don't pass.
So things don't come. It not be like before.
But those are structures when they make these labels function. But those structures be like say go function well for this environment
because we are also not used to those structures. You understand? So that's why we don't have organic hits anymore. There's no hit that is organic. Now when I say organic, it means say it just enter.
I just listen to song and I fall in love with
her. It just enter. And waiting the boss by we they talk of where will they come from? Of how many years ago now? Now the only thing where we been know be that
organic.
It just enter because the people just love them. But now market, this budget where they talk now
heavy,
scatter, and I'm saying
A go bring 100 million come. B go bring 120 million come. C go bring 150 come. Before you say you want make somebody else, maybe Mr. G go you bring 200 million come. You can't be like say nobody they do anything.
So everything don't they about more money.
For you, what you feel say we do to take really because they concerned 6 months one pass so no. If I thought to no hit song this year, I be at the lie.
No be say you lie. No be say you lie. I don't go lie.
No breakthrough artists. Yes, there are artists when they met you.
Definitely no breakthrough artists. We don't fully breakthrough. Definitely. About hit song, I mean, now the general public will decide waiting be hit song, waiting no be hit song. But I understand you. I don't hear that thing where many people they complain, see waiting they happen, and now because most artists now, because they know say everything now by marketing. Everything about digital. So even the kind of music where they make safe, they don't tailor to waiting they feel say go hit. And most of the time, that thing where they feel say no be waiting go really hit. Because waiting people they look to hear now something where they new
different from the one they
different way from waiting they used to. So I don't know, maybe people go really sit down, think cause say come, no, we just make pure music. Forget about all these semantics, forget about all these people will bring money come, forget about all these arrangements, marketing this, pitching that, this and
this one, that one,
big. Let's just make music.
Then again, what be your take on top streaming farm?
Streaming farm na
fast, you don't do streaming farm
for we how now?
You not get
what I want. You know how much they spend on
8.5 just to get top 100, bro.
That money is small. That money will pass like that.
No one I meet top on you will get at 99. Then when you can't drop 15, they'll put you for like maybe top 50. Then when you can't drop more than that one, now you they say maybe like top 20. Like, what will be the end result at the end of the day?
Now part of this marketing we talk about now. So for those people, the way that they look and be say that chart be like signboard, be like billboard, you know. So if they did there, people go see their name, see their song.
But they don't know your song.
They still know them. So they don't say not fully translate. But to them, now still something because they talk about
that now.
People go snap the chat.
Say now you say you don't make
number 4, number 3, number 1, whatever it is. Snap and post them. It's still there. You know, and some people, no lie. Some people when they want to hear music, they go just go the chat.
Go check.
So they go without they go hear the music. So it's whether they will hear the music and love the music that is the important thing. Yeah. So a lot of people just look at like saying an advertisement strategy and why they spend that kind of money on them. But of course, it scatter that whole organic P where they talk about earlier. Yeah. It's crazy.
Anyway, hopefully maybe as the more we get this conversation, we'll get to retrace our step and probably, fall back to where we come from or continue from where we actually be stopped before this whole arrangement. So first get new song at the last time you give us an album at 2022, 2 years ago. Why you never give us album? He said, what happened? He said, are you experiencing what did they call that others when they
brain creative block?
Creative block. I be writer's block or whatever.
Writer's block, yeah. No. Not be so. I be just need some time. You get. Sometimes you get. As you go, they move. You don't go really realize. Say you never really stop to pause, just to relax and rethink, rearrange. Okay. Your mind both creatively and just otherwise, just personal life. Safe. Okay. You get some other things. We also happened recently. I sustained one injury where I got
I want to.
Yeah, my knee.
Now football cause that one.
Football, like
but you still play ball now.
I never started to play a game.
Not trying, just
I just soft kickball.
But because I say you even got fly out of the country. Was that serious?
And I say, I mean, yes and no.
Okay.
I would say no because you get people with the rough arm.
Yes.
They get that kind of injury. They go say, I do rough arm. But that thing no be beans. I mean, I know say I go to jump for stage. I go to I know feel rough arm. Make I go do the surgery. So I go. They do the surgery. Everything they okay. Well. Thank God.
Yeah.
I can't come back. But that whole period, I guess
stay back.
I guess rest. So now during that rest, I can't see. Make I even just pause. Because since that 2014 when they talk now, just
back. Almost every year you drop.
You never get time to even just pause, just relax, and that thing can give me another perspective. I've been talking because this one is called Before the Feast. That one is called The Feast.
Okay,
it's an album. This one is an EP, and that's why I called it Before the Feast. So it's like a palate cleanser. Just cleanse your mouth before this one where they come because waiting you go chop.
You go heavy.
How
many tracks we look at?
We look at maybe between 10 to 12. I don't want to announce the date yet because I never 100%.
But you go this year,
of course. In fact, I wish say go do more than like 6 months in between.
Okay.
Between Before the Feast and the Feast. But we take on the reason now. if I count that 6 months now, we don't enter December
already. Yeah.
Don't enter December.
It's risky to drop body of work for December.
To drop. That's the only thing why the reason now. If not, I don't. Everything already. This the feast. Don't worry, make it drop first.
So since we did Naija FM, we did like exclusive. So who we dey expect on top the feast?
You know, say many things. These are a game. Things they change every day.
Yeah.
I fit announce one name now. Make it
not clear. I say, sir, we can't clear this. The artist is promoting the song for now.
Wow, people already ask me, where is that song with this person? Where is that?
But who you dare show? At least I know say you get 1 or 2 person when you dare show say you not guy 1B. You must make the album.
Right now, the only person I'm sure of is Faust the Bad Guy. I never show I never show anything else until we don't show.
Yeah.
You know, get time maybe say last minute.
Yeah.
Last minute.
It will just happen.
Now one song will just enter. And funny enough, now that song will come scatter
everywhere.
You know, it be like that. So now I know they like announce before I don't show.
So but more you keep our finger crossed. Yeah. Then before the feast.
Yeah, no, before the feast, now I just drop. Yeah, now be the EP I just drop.
So we got to try calculate now. That means probably if not be December, it will be November. You got drop.
So before the feast dropped in June, so July, August, September, October, November, December. That's it.
I don't have to calculate.
So if
not let her pass like that. Because anything will make a like that, it will be like next year. No, we don't want next year.
This year,
may drop this year.
November. November will be good time.
November.
And the only thing why the reason be that too.
Okay, because November, the last week of November they risky. So maybe like the middle of November.
Oh yeah, now go.
So I'm always telling me out. I don't join planning committee for. I beg, admin, give me my credit. I beg.
Now.
0.5% come. I beg. Anyway, so we'd already get exclusive now. The feast they come up. Hopefully by the grace of God by November. Fast the Bad Guy. You know, one give us one who go make the album, but it will be the album we want give us after 2 years break when he get. So get ready to enjoy the album. Meanwhile, before the feast is out everywhere right now.
So out everywhere.
How many track album? Six. We get who go pay there. We get
who go pay there. How many did they featuring Crayon?
Yeah.
Popping Tonight featuring Fino and Shebo. We get Chop the Life, Shake Kaka, and then of course NDK featuring Flavor and Adekunle Black.
So imagine before the feast, the people when did the album. Can't imagine the feast go himself. People will one day. So me not go shock if I see Bonan Boy there. Then again, how your relationship be with those guys?
Which of the guys?
I don't say you don't work with Davido before society like
I don't work with Bonan before as well. For my 27 album, the 2017. Don't you? Yeah.
Oh, you don't. That means I miss on that song.
Yeah, he did my album.
For real?
Yeah, a lot of people slept on that song.
For real?
Yeah.
I go need to go back and check it. I don't like it. I never hear that song.
Yeah, there's a song called All Right.
With Bonan Boy.
Yeah, on my 27 album. Yeah, of course, I don't work with Davido. I think
you never work with
Wiz. Bad was on 27 as well, actually. Yeah, I never work with Wiz.
Okay, so Wiz. To work with Wiz. Anyway, nothing fast enough he do though. If you call it Papa, may quote law, give whoever you want feature. He go jump for this song. So I just want to ask because 33 years, 10 years ago, I they go back to when you start music actively right now. That's probably you did like 21 or 20 when you start music.
Yeah.
And you don't through with your law school, everything
so
like that.
I finished my law school 20. No, I finished my university 20.
Okay.
Congo Law School straight. Finished law school 21. Officially called to the bar early 2012. So I was turning 22 that year.
Okay.
So I can start the work. I work as lawyer. I go court everything. Yes, now I work with my popsy that time.
Wow.
I work with my popsy. They go court everything. But I know say now this music I want to do. So that time I they live double life.
You go work for afternoon, go records.
Clark Kent during the day, Superman in the night.
Okay.
For night I go just come out my suit, come out tie.
Wait, I did this glass without.
But I don't actually. They do this one since like since when I did university.
Okay.
This style is unique. I just keep on. So I just kept it. Yeah. But that time I can't live the double life. Everything they go. So when this one can start, they pick.
Now you leave that one. Your papa no question you when you do.
No question me. Funny enough, when I be finished, they say I don't collect my certificate, everything. I'm a lawyer now. They say anything where you want to do.
Go do. But since you don't ever represent anybody for Judge don't go take you serious. Now maybe Judge he say, hello sir. I said, come on, get out of here.
That time I never too blow, so
yeah.
they don't know saying
okay.
But
you represent.
Yes now. Okay. And they go court. So it can't reach one time where I don't start to the blow.
Okay.
One judge can't recognize me. For course, when I don't stand up and I was my lord, with profound respect, following the fallen or appearing for the claimant.
He said,
the judge just
say, hello.
Counsel, are you not the one doing something on the side? You don't want to talk out with the full mouth. Me, I don't understand.
You don't get it.
Some lawyers for court too, they understand. I say, yes, my lord. So carry on.
But right now, not sure you go try to present anybody for court. They don't take you seriously.
Court go scatter.
Anyway, nice conversation with the one and only Bad Guy Fast. And go check out EP, 6-track EP. It is available on top of streaming platform right now. Go stream out and join your playlist. Who will pay in one of those songs will not can give you very, very soon. And it features Adekunle Gold. And also prepare to enjoy the feast. That's the May food gone when they come for November. We don't get this. Let me put that November. We never know which date go there, but the month of November. And before you leave us though, it expect to say at least for someone who does spend more than 10 years, I thought by this stage of your life right now, you're supposed to groom other people. You don't get the privilege to get artists under you who you show the whole workings and every.
So sincerely speaking, not right now, but I've been actually recently. Yeah. I've been getting one artist named Sadauda. Very talented guy, very, very talented guy. But we went our separate ways recently because we never really fully figure him out. And then I won't talk now. Not be by force to get person under you. If you know go figure the right arrangement, we go favor him. A lot of people they feel say they must do him, so they know we can't do him right. Everything we can't do one kind.
You can't bring chaos, can't make you look like a bad person.
When I realize we know they do them as we suppose they do them. I say make I just free. I say bro, just
do your thing.
Do your thing, bro. Make it not be saying I mean they cover your shine. I mean no.
Let's go say I've been under you for 10 years. Nothing happened. Hey, you have taken my shine. I was writing song for you. And the rest.
So no need to force them.
When it happen,
it go happen naturally and beautifully. And a lot of people they always talk say as artists.
Yeah.
Say people will be active artists, not if you get other people under them.
Yes,
we don't see where it don't work though, so we not fit talk say enough.
To an extent, Davido don't prove us for the
exactly.
This kid be try, but he can't be like say.
But we see say there's something difficult about it.
Yes, it is.
So maybe that is a thing, maybe that's not a thing. But I don't want to force him. Make I just talk like that. I don't want to force him. When it go happen, it go happen.
It go happen. Okay, no problem. I just forget to ask. All your songs, are in the right time?
I mean, most of course, I collect help. That one is the issue. You get where people don't write, contribute here, but most of my stuff, I mean, right.
Yeah. Okay, the last question, because the more I try one and then the more questions they come. That means we'll look for another conclusion. As a rapper, you don't stay true to that game in as much as you still do versatile, you do other stuff. The arrangement of rap is dead. Mo just I want your take on top.
Is that the arrangement of rap?
Rap is there. What's there?
Rap can never die now. Rap can it's not possible now. A whole genre of music we be say na revolutionary genre now.
Yes.
Na classic genre. Rap not fit die. Not a possible. Music now like trend, now like fashion. There'll be something that is trending now. It be like we don't go back to baggy now.
Baggy now, yeah. We talk about we want the time.
Yeah, that way the rest skinny in the rain. Now we don't go back to baggy. So now like that with music too. This one feel the pop now, but me say this one don't die.
Don't go.
Everything that's cycle. There will be a time, and we can see that right now it's coming back to the forefront. It's coming back to the forefront. Rap is definitely not dead. Hip hop is not dead. Hip hop is very much alive.
Very much alive. Okay, so I don't know. Somebody just begged now. Say he's saying like ask you question. I don't know. I did try because normally I know the person to take course. Got time one day like that. But more try take her. Eleke, you did here? Fast here. You talk to her. Hello. Yeah. Now you not gonna get good network. Hey, yeah, sorry, you don't miss your opportunity. I've been watching your trial for the very first time. Anyway, thank you, Faz the bad guy, for coming through. So we get a lot of expectation from you before you clock 35. Marriage, that's a wife. We go get and if you don't suppose to motivate and inspire everyone of now, then album they come by November. I did highly they anticipate for that particular album because since you don't keep the surprise of one who will make the album, it is sweet me for body to just see the album they release and maybe we'll get a listening party too, if possible, right?
Yeah, no, for sure. Then many plans around the album, many plans.
Yeah. Since you don't do 10 years now, we will get a fast concert this year.
So I plan one for this year. Yeah, plan one for this year, but I never get the date. I never arrange everything, but definitely I plan one for the end of the year.
We go to look for them. We'll look forward for them there. Anyway, thank you very much, my brother. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Make we sign up with who will pay right now. Fast go actually pay because after now you go pay. You go actually pay. So more enjoy right now. Not go anywhere. My name is still my word about be MC R1B.